Oh my God! You look so beautiful!
Thank you, Mama.
I can't wait to see Ike's expression when he sees you walk down with this beautiful dress.
Thank you for letting me marry you.
I hope I don't regret that decision. You are still very, very young.
Mama, you married Papa at the age of 17, remember?
Yes. Things were different in my days. There wasn't enough for a woman to do that, to get married and start having children. But to still have a lot of things to achieve.
Mama, I will achieve everything I want with Ike by my side. I love him. We love each other. That's all that matters. Besides, my wedding is in a few minutes. I think it's rather too late for this conversation.
Ike is still struggling. And you know he came from a family that has been struggling for years. I know you might have seen something special in him.
Mama, Ike is very special. And we are going to grow together. Let's go.
Okay, let us get you wedded.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, Pastor, where is he? Pastor, I don't know. I've been trying to find Ike myself for the past 2 hours, but whoever.
Hey, what do you mean you don't know where your son is on his wedding day?
Pastor, I'm confused. Ike myself is not like this. He told me that he had an errand to run, that he'll be here very soon. And I've been...
Everyone has been patient.
Hey, Pastor, I know.
If he doesn't arrive soon, we'll have to cancel the wedding.
Pastor, please, don't exercise more patience. Please, he will soon be here. Hey.
But you know a wedding cannot go on without the groom.
That's exactly what I'm saying. Please, exercise some patience. This is not like Ike, my son. Hey, what could be holding him? What could be holding him?
Do you want this one?
No.
You don't want this one?
No. What are you doing?
What's that? Ike!
Just wait.
Do you need help? Oh my God, Ike! What are you doing?
I don't know if this is the right place or how I should do it, but you make me the happiest man and marry me.
Yes, I'll marry you, yes. Oh my God! Beautiful.
Thank you. I know this is not original. One day I promise you I will replace it with gold.
I don't care if it ever gets replaced, as long as you're by my side every day, forever.
And I promise you I will always be here. I will work so hard to make your life easier. I will give you everything that you deserve. I will always be here.
I have everything that I need. You!
I love you so much. I love you more.
What is keeping them now? We were supposed to march in an hour ago.
Mama, be patient.
Are you sure nothing happened? Maybe something has happened to him.
Nothing has happened. I'm sure there's just a little delay. He will come.
Let me go in there and know what is going on.
Okay.
My friend, you're looking so beautiful. I am happy for you.
I'm very happy.
Are you sure about this?
I've never been sure of anything in my whole life.
I am sure Ike will take care of you.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Is he picking? Wait.
What is going on here? Where is Ike?
Mother, he will soon be here. He will soon be here.
Oh, Ike is not here.
Mother, he's coming. He's coming.
He's coming. This wedding is supposed to start hours ago. What is happening?
Oh, madam, calm down. I know how you feel. Ike will soon be here.
Let it be. Let it be. Because my daughter cannot be humiliated today. I knew this wedding was a bad idea.
Oh no, madam, don't say that.
I knew
Don't
it.
say that. Eh? I know my son. He will soon be here.
Don't tell me that.
There is no need sugarcoating anything. It has been ours, and Ike has been missing.
Hey!
We don't know where it is.
My in-law, calm down, calm down.
Mr. Uzo, where is your son? You said I should calm down.
I've been
calm down for what?
I've been trying his number. He will soon be here. Pastor, I know who I am. I know who my son
He
is.
will soon be here for how long?
I know my son.
What's the action?
Mama is here.
Yeah.
I told you they will soon come for us.
Anna.
Mama, what was the delay for?
Mama, what is going on? What is happening?
Ike is not here.
What do you mean Ike is not here?
Where is
Ike
he?
is missing. His line is not connecting.
Is this a joke, Mama? You know you cannot prank me on my day. It's my wedding day.
My daughter, I'm not joking. He is missing.
I don't understand. Ike will not do this to me. Not on a day like this. He is coming. Let's go in.
My daughter, I don't think he is coming home.
All I know is that I am getting married today to the love of my life, and I am not living here until that's possible. Ike is coming. Let's go in. Can you imagine? You know Ike is coming. You know he will come, right? Mama, our guests are leaving. Hey! Go back! Go back! They're leaving. What's happening?
Just calm down.
Let's go in. Who is Papa? He's supposed to be here. Why are they leaving? No! Go back inside. My husband is coming. Please go back. Stop them. Go back. Ike is coming. Hey! Come back! What is happening, Mama? Everybody's leaving.
Calm down, my daughter. Calm down.
Where's your phone? Let's call Ike.
Nana, wow. It's very shameful. It's very, very, very shameful. Nah. How could he do something like this to that girl?
It is to be expected. They are too young to be thinking about marriage. And I'm surprised their parents agreed to this.
He don't have any excuse for him to abandon that girl like that at the altar. Eh? If you don't want to marry the girl, he should let her know in time. That embarrassing all her entire family like that at the altar. Eh? Odemma.
I feel so bad for her.
Haba. I wonder where he will run away to now.
Who knows?
It's very, very shameful. Very, very shameful. Haba. It's not good.
It's not good.
Ike is coming. He's coming. He will never do this to me. He will never abandon me. I know Ike. I know he loves me and I love him. He will not do this to me. Not on a day like this. He will come, you see.
Come, let's go. It's getting late.
I said he is coming.
Let's go. It's late. Let's go.
Ike is coming. I know he will not abandon me. You see, he will walk right through this door and come and wed me. You see.
Why are you so delusional? Why? Ike has left. He's a coward. Let's go.
No. What if something happens to him?
If something has happened to Ike, we would have heard of the report. Do you know that your mom and your dad, they've gone to all the hospitals around. They even went to the mortuary. Ike is nowhere to be found.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Thank God. That's a relief. If he wasn't involved in any accident, it means he's on his way here. Yes, that's what it means. He's coming.
Anne, why are you blinded by love? Ike has run. Probably he ran in order not to marry you. He ran away from marrying you. Let's not think about this anymore. Let's go, please.
No, you don't know Ike like I do. And I said he is coming. Just wait a little.
Just a little while. You will see him. He's coming. He's coming.
Anna.
Ike.
Anna.
Mama, is he here? Have you found him?
Stand up, let's go home.
Is Ike outside?
Anna, get up, let's go home first.
No, I want to know if you have found him.
He is nowhere to be found. So get up, let's go home. Oh? Stand up. Just stand up, stand up. Stand up, let's go home.
I want to wait for him.
Come, let's go home.
What if he comes and I'm not here?
I'm not sure he'll come back. I'm not sure he'll come. Anna, are you okay?
I'm fine, Mom.
You are fine and you are crying, Anna. I want you to know that it will get easier one day. These pains you are passing through now will fade one day. And you will definitely find someone who will love you more than Ike. Okay?
He will come back. I know it. He will come back for me. You will see.
He is gone, Anna. The sooner you accept that, the better. He is a coward who walked out on you. I will never forgive him for hurting you like that.
I know Ike. Ike cannot abandon me. He cannot abandon his own child. No.
His child. Anna. Eso, his child. What are you talking about?
I'm carrying his child.
Hell!
So you see, he will not abandon his own child.
Ewo.
He will come back.
I
know it.
This boy has killed me. This Ike has killed me. Hi. Ike has killed me. Hi.
That explains something. Yes, he is trying to run away from his responsibilities.
What are we going to do? This will ruin her life. And she is so blinded by her love for him.
But see, listen to me, honey. Uzo must get it from me. Yes! How dare him allow his son to rule my family like this? He must provide that boy, yo.
He must do.
Because my daughter only cannot raise that child.
Yes.
God forbid.
God forbid.
It cannot happen.
Yes.
It can't happen.
It can't do.
Now.
Hey.
Yeah, Uzo, see, Uzo, if this is a plot for your family to rule my family, it will not work. Where's that your bastard son?
Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down after your son has impregnated my daughter. You are telling me to calm down.
Anna is pregnant.
Oh, you don't know. Oh, come, is it not enough? After he abandoned her at the altar, is it not enough? Now, she's carrying his child, and you are telling me to calm down.
Ike didn't tell me that the girl is pregnant. Hey, Okafor, please, take it easy.
See.
I know how you feel. I know how you feel. Huh? It hasn't been easy for us. My only son is missing for a period of 1 week.
Uzo, don't even try to play the victim. It is obvious that your son has run away from his responsibility.
No. I know Ike. There's no way he can run away.
He has run away, you are telling me.
I know. There's no way Ike can abandon his family and run away. Eh? I'm aware how much he loves your daughter. Hey, children of nowadays. Okay, calm down. He must come back. He must come back.
I know that you will come back to us. I don't care what anyone says. He will never abandon me. He will never abandon us. I don't know where you are, but I will wait. I will wait for you. And I don't care how long it will take. I will wait for you, my love.
You have worn this look since you came here. What is wrong?
I don't know how I'm going to say this.
You can tell me anything, except of course you want to break up with me. Is that it? You want to break up with me?
No, of course not.
Okay. I want to almost stop beating. Okay, fine. You can tell me anything else. What is it? Say it.
I'm pregnant. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Why are you sorry?
I don't know. Maybe this was not what you wanted for yourself. Maybe it's too early. Maybe it's.
It's okay. It's okay. I love you too.
See, I am never going to leave you. Never. I'm not going to go through this alone. I am going to be with you every step of the way. And I'll make sure I take care of you, the baby, and us.
I love you so much. Ike, you promise you will never leave me. You promise you will always be here. And I know that you will not break that promise. I'll be here waiting for you. I'll be here waiting, my love.
Just broke. I think the baby is coming.
Yes. Sit.
Breathe
with your mouth. Your mouth.
No.
Sit first. Sit. Breathe. Breathe with your mouth.
Hospital.
Breathe first. Breathe with your mouth. This is not the life I want for my daughter. This is not it at all.
Anne.
But you called me.
Yes. Wait, oh. What were you telling your daughter? Now listen to me. Stop feeding her with those nonsense. It has been 3 years that that boy left, and you still believe he's coming back.
Papa, he will come back.
Now I know you're a fool. Yes. No wonder that idiot took advantage of you. And you are here, you are telling me he will come back.
I love him.
I don't care if you continue to let his lies to deceive you. But I don't want you to put those nonsense thoughts on that girl's head. I am warning you.
I have been a fool. It's been 7 years. 7 good years, and I can't believe I've held on for this long. It's time to move on, Hannah.
What is it? Why are you crying?
Is Dad really coming home? Is he really coming home?
It doesn't matter anymore. What matters is that I'm here and I love you. Okay?
You told me that he loves me. If he loves me, why did he leave?
Look, I don't have all the answers in the world. But what I do know is that I love you and you love me, and that's what is more important. I have you, you have me, and we have each other. That's enough. Okay? It's okay. Stop crying. I'm taking my daughter away from here.
What do you mean?
I want to take her to the city and give her a better life. There's just so little that can be achieved here.
This is ridiculous. You can't just get up and move. We don't have any close relatives there. How will you survive?
I will work hard. I will work to provide for my child and give her a better life.
That is good, my daughter. I am glad that you have finally moved on from the illusion that that young man will come back to you again. See, I don't have much, my daughter. But the little I have, I think I will give it to you. Yes.
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome, my daughter.
Anna, I don't like how you get me worried all the time.
But Mama, I'm not a child. I'm a grown woman. I'm not that young lady that was abandoned at the altar years ago. I have grown so strong and wiser now. I'll be fine. Thank you, Mama.
That's enough. That's enough. I need to move on. I need to move on from those memories. I have to focus on what I have, and that is me and my daughter.
Okay, I'll find us somewhere we can rest our heads for tonight. Then tomorrow we'll start our life, okay? Okay. We can manage and stay here for tonight. Tomorrow we'll look for somewhere better.
Okay.
Hello? Hello? Who are you?
Sophia, wake up, wake up.
Don't you think it's dangerous for you to expose the little girl in danger?
Wear your shoes. Wear your shoes. I'm sorry, ma. We came into the city very late in the night and we don't have money for a guest house. Sorry, we'll be on our way out now.
So, where are you going to?
We don't have anywhere to go. We actually came to the city to look for a job.
Do you think it's easy to find a job in the city?
I will try. I have to provide for myself and my daughter.
Do you know what? I think you're lucky. I'm in need of a sales girl. The last one I had just ran away with our white friend. Yeah.
You need a sales girl?
Yes.
Employ me, ma. I promise you, you will not regret this. I
Okay.
can sweep, I can wash, I can
It's
cook.
okay, just calm down, calm down. Let's go in. Let me put the things in order so we can talk more.
Okay, ma. Thank you
go.
very much, ma.
Let's
God
go.
bless you. Thank you, ma.
What is your name?
Anna, ma.
Anne. Do you know what? I would like you to stay here and work with me. I will pay you 1,000 naira at the end of the day every day.
Thank you.
I'll also give you a room at the back of the restaurant so you can manage it for now. I know it's small, but you just manage it.
Please, small. Thank you, ma. Thank you so much.
It's fine.
Thank you. I promise I'll work very hard to save enough money to afford my own rent and also get a school for my baby.
It's okay.
Thank you. God bless you. I promise you won't regret this.
I just want you to work hard. Please, don't run away with another man like the other girl did.
No.
I'm begging you.
That will never be my story. I promise you.
It's fine.
May God continue to bless you and everything that you do.
Amen.
Say thank you to Auntie.
Thank you. You're welcome. Fine girl.
I never knew you drink alcohol.
It's not that I take alcohol. You see, I want to celebrate. Because I just got a new job. Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
That's good news. I'm happy for you.
Thank you. I am so happy. In fact, whatever you want to eat today, eat it on my head.
Really? Congratulations.
Thank you. How is Sophia?
Oh, she's fine. She's already in bed.
Okay. You see, I I bought all this for her.
Already?
Yes.
You didn't have to. They haven't even paid you yet.
Don't say that. Money will come. I'm sure money will come.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
So what do you want? We still have a few meals left.
Okay. Give me egusi soup and still have egusi.
The only swallow we have now is semo and bitter leaf.
Okay, fine. Give me the semo and bitter leaf.
Okay.
Then yes, semo and bitter leaf.
All right.
All right.
Wow! Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm happy for you.
And see, please get more of this.
Mark.
Anna, the lady.
Hello. My daughter was brought in here.
Madam, calm down.
I can't calm down. Where is she?
Calm down. Who brought her in?
I don't know. Some woman. I don't know her name.
Madam, it will be hard for us to locate her with such vague information. You really have to give us more.
Okay. She's 7 years old. She was brought in a few minutes ago and she's in a school uniform.
Oh, yes, I remember. She was brought in here by Miss Nico Davis.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
My baby is in there.
Please wait here.
No.
No, Ma, please, you can't go inside.
Are you the girl's mother?
Are you the one that hit my child?
I'm so sorry, Ma, okay? I mean, I didn't see her. She just jumped right in front of my car and...
What is wrong with you? She just jumped right in front of your car. God, why is my life like this? Why can't I ever be happy? Why is like this always happening to me? My child is in there.
Madam, sorry, okay? Don't worry, okay? I will take care of everything, okay? Just don't worry.
You think money is everything? My baby is in there fighting for her life and you dare rub your money on my face? How dare you!
Oh, God.
Babe, are you okay? Just calm down. Everything will be alright. Who is this and why is she crying here? What's the problem?
Who's the girl's mother?
Oh, the mother. Madam, I'm sorry. My fiancé and I will take full responsibility. Are you okay?
Ike.
Excuse me?
What's wrong with her?
You're awake. Oh my God.
Just calm down.
Your daughter is fine. The doctor did his job well. And she will be discharged after a couple of weeks.
Thank God. I'm relieved now. But I thought I saw Ike. I'm not sure.
Ike?
Yes.
The one you told me that dumped you?
Yes. I'm not so sure. Maybe it's just my head playing tricks.
Just calm down, calm down. Do you know what? The lady that hit your daughter took care of the bills. And she dropped something huge for you. She hopes you don't press charges on her.
There won't be any need for that. My daughter is fine now. That's all that matters.
Thank you.
And you shouldn't have taken that from her. I don't need her money.
You and your daughter need it.
No, we don't. I'm going to work hard to fend for myself and my child. I hope she dropped her contact. I need to call her to come and take her money.
Why are you behaving like this? Do you know how much that is in here?
I don't know, and I don't care.
Sweetheart,
Mom.
why are you drinking alone when you have a beautiful woman in your room?
I'm just a bit stressed.
Oh, come on. I'm sorry about that, but you don't have to. Now that you're back to the country, you need to relax. Enjoy yourself.
I'm trying to relax, but the wedding is just so much to be done.
Derek, I've told you, all you need to do is show up. I will do everything, virtually everything, from 100 to 0. Just show up and it's done.
Oh, am I not lucky to have you in my life?
I'm so lucky to have a son like you.
Okay, I will go in. Just let me just finish this.
It's all right. I'll watch you drink to make sure you go back to your room.
Yeah.
You know I don't take alcohol. No, I don't.
Don't feel bad. It doesn't hurt.
Baby. It's been a few days now. I think this is the perfect time to scold you. Why did you leave the school without waiting for me?
I wanted to help.
What?
I thought you have been stressed since all the work that you have been doing. So, because you have been always dropping me and coming to pick me all the time. I just wanted to help.
Baby, taking care of you doesn't stress me at all. You're the reason I'm doing all of this. So please, don't ever do it again, okay?
Okay.
Now promise mommy you will not do it again.
I promise.
Good girl. It's okay.
How is my angel doing?
Mark.
Uncle Mark.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, you'll be fine, okay?
Okay.
Fine. How are you?
I'm okay.
You see, I got you toys and some snacks.
Wow, look at that. Look what Uncle Mark bought for you. Do you like it?
Yes.
What do you say?
Thank you, sir.
Oh, don't mention.
Thank you, Mark.
No problem. So, how's she doing?
She's getting better. The injury isn't that severe.
Can we see?
Oh, baby, I'm coming, okay? Do you want some snacks? There's more.
Come on, Anna, you look so pale. What is going on?
I've not been myself for the past few days. But I'm happy now that Sophia is getting better.
Okay. See, Anna, I don't know if this is the right time to tell you this, but I feel I should, because now that I've gotten a job, I know I can take care of you. See, I am in love with you, Anna.
Hello. We are here to see the child.
Ike! It's you!
I'm sorry. I don't understand. What are you saying?
Ike!
I'm sorry. His name is Derek. And someone like him don't know you.
His name is Ike. He's my fiance. Don't you remember me?
I'm sorry. Maybe you have me confused with someone else.
No. I know you. You left me in the village with your child and now you're pretending not to know me.
What is wrong with you? Look, young lady, you are beginning to get me irritated. This man here is my man. He is my fiance. Yes, and we are getting married soon. I mean, what are you talking about? He is the son of the CEO of Midas Company, and someone like him cannot possibly know someone like you.
I know what I am saying, Mark.
He doesn't know anything. I said I am getting married to him. He is my man.
It's okay.
I know what I'm saying. This is the same man that got me pregnant. The same man I almost got married to. It's you!
Anna, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Maybe we should just leave.
Yeah. No! I know what I'm saying. Ike!
See, Anna.
Ike, it's me!
Anna, calm down. It's him. Fine. They just said they don't know you. Eh?
Was that him? That was him. But if it was him, how come he didn't recognize me?
Why are you crying?
I'm not crying. Go back to sleep.
I thought you said we shouldn't cry about him anymore. I have you and you have me. Isn't that enough?
That's more than enough, my baby, but I'm not crying because of your father, okay? I'm crying because I'm worried about you.
But I'm fine. The doctor said I'm going to be discharged very soon. Stop crying.
Thank you.
Son.
Dad?
It's nice you're back.
Thanks, Dad.
Now I can rest a bit. So you can take up this in the office.
Absolutely no. He's headed nowhere. After working so hard to make sure Midas Company London branch is doing well, you want him to start working here. Come on, sweetheart. You don't do that to our son.
My love, what's wrong with that?
Everything.
Okay, my son, please enjoy your vacation. So that your mother will not break my head with a street.
Thanks, Dad.
Dad, not to worry, okay? Your daughter-in-law is here to help you and to take care of you.
That's my
So
girl.
don't have to worry.
That's my girl.
But Daddy have to pay.
No problem.
You and money. Like bread and butter. Likes money too much.
Your mother is like that too? It's just that I'm a hard worker. She would have reduced me from a billionaire to a millionaire.
Wait. Are you trying to talk about me? What do you expect? When you married a sophisticated, classy lady like me.
That's my wife.
Case closed.
Nico, girl.
Yes, Mom.
Let me just give you a secret.
Okay.
Derek has money.
Also.
He has money. Plenty of it. You know where gold shop is?
Oh, yes.
Bet yourself with gold. Let's talk about it later.
Thank you so much, Mom. You see that advice you just gave me right now? I won't forget about it.
Oh. Mom is talking about Dad's money, not my money.
No, I'm talking about your money.
No, you're talking about Dad's money.
No,
yeah?
I'm talking about your money.
Don't worry.
Please, table manners.
Yes, please.
Do you need anything?
Yes, Abigail, I will be needing diced apple, pineapple, and cucumber in 30 minutes.
I'll get it.
It's all right. So,
Just so hardworking. I mean, do you know what they're doing? Everything is so perfect.
yes, my staffs, I trust them, but you can never be too careful. Though all of them know that I am obsessed with cleanliness. Nicole?
No.
Is anything the matter?
Mom. Yes. You remember the little girl that I told you that I ran over the other day?
Yes, but you said she's getting better.
Yes, Mom.
So?
But she's not the problem.
What do you mean?
Her mom is.
Her mom? What's with her mom?
Mom, the girl's mother said that she knows Derek. Yes. In fact, let me put it this way. She said that Derek is her fiancé. I mean, that's so ridiculous. I mean,
right? Of course. That's ridiculous. Why would my son know someone from the trenches? No, it's not possible. Come on, stop.
I mean, I thought as much. It's just that the girl was saying it for a fact. Like, she's saying it from the heart that she knows Derek. I mean, that was so scary.
Yes. This is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, one of the ridiculous story ever Heard? My son knowing people from the trenches? No, come on. Let's talk about something else. You know what? Let's.
Are you okay?
Of course, I am okay. Okay. Let's go to the sitting and wait for the ice fruits.
That was Ike. I'm very sure of it. I know who I saw.
Let's assume it's him. But he pretended not to know you. He saw his own daughter and acted like he didn't even know her too. What kind of a man behaves like that?
It's strange, I know. But the Ike I used to know, it's almost like it's not the same person. Maybe something is wrong. The Ike I know would never do this to us. He would have given me the world if I asked him for it.
But Anna, you see, people can change. He has changed now. Huh?
I refuse to accept that he has changed. You don't know Ike. I just want him to answer me. I want answers. I want to know why he abandoned me and left me at the altar after everything he promised me. I just want answers.
I understand, Anna. But some questions have the simplest answers. Eh? Let me tell you, maybe he never loved you. Or maybe he met someone else and saw a chance at a better life and decided to grab it. You never can tell now.
That's not okay. That doesn't sound like him. He wouldn't do this to us. He wouldn't do this to Sophia. I don't want to accept that. I don't.
See, Anna, let me tell you, maybe he wasn't who you thought he was. A man, he has been out of your life for years. The best thing is for him to still remain out of it. See, let me tell you, a man that abandoned the family because of money is not worthy to have you. Something that I can't even do.
What if it was something else that happened? We need to find out. We need to find the truth.
Anna, see, you see all these questions. The answer is right here in your front. That guy, forget about that guy. That guy never deserved you. Eh? No, stop making excuses for him now. See, people like me, I can't even act like that. I can't even behave like that. See, I will take care of you. If you leave all this, just calm down.
I can't just forget about who I saw. You don't know Ike. You don't.
Maggie, I am telling you the truth. Yes. I mean, they are hiding something. I know what I'm saying.
You are just assuming things at this point.
Oh. No, I'm not. I mean, I asked her a question. And I expected a reaction from her, no matter how little it is. But she was just being unnaturally calm. And believe me, it was so clear to me that she was trying so hard to be calm.
Are you saying that Derek know that woman and he's pretending not to know her? Is that what you're saying?
No, that is not what I'm saying. All I'm saying is that they are hiding something. I mean, I'm having this feeling that something is not right. Something is not right at all. And I need to find out what it is. And I need you to help me.
What do you want me to do now?
Maggie, you are the best private dictator that I know, if not the only one.
You can say that again.
So please, I need you to find out what these people are hiding. Because I know they're hiding something. And not to worry, I will also do my own findings, okay?
Nicole, you are just being paranoid here. The Chibike family is one of the most powerful in this state. I mean, what connection will they have to a dirty, poverty, shrinking woman from the trenches? What?
That is the problem. So I need you to help me find out. And not to worry, I will pay. You know I will pay very well. So just do your job.
All right. I will. Okay. I will.
Thank you.
Please, what do I offer you?
Huh?
You mean Anne?
Yeah.
Oh. Anne, think you have for some. Okay, ma.
How is your daughter doing?
She's fine. Yeah. I don't need your money. Thanks for your concern.
But it's obvious you need the money. Why returning it?
I'm doing okay on my own. Thank you.
I don't like what you did at the hospital. I mean, someone might misunderstand you.
I was saying the truth.
The truth? Look, Derek is the son of Mr. and Mrs. Richard Chibike. I mean, for crying out loud, they are the biggest in stock trading market. I mean, someone like you can certainly not have any close connection with him. It's not possible.
Listen, I don't care what he goes by these days. I know him as Ike, the love of my life, the same man that left me at the altar 7 years ago, the father of my child.
Wait. You mean Derek, my fiancé, is the father of your child? How dare you! How can you vomit such a nonsense from your mouth? Look, I don't know who sent you or what you're trying to get out of all this. Derek is my man and he belongs to me. So stop all this drama. I mean, what do you want? You want money? You want more money? I'll give you money. What do you want?
I don't want your damn money. All I need is for Derek, Ike, or whatever it is he goes by these days to look me in the eyes and tell me why he left us. Tell me why he left me at the altar 7 years ago. Tell me why he left me to raise his child without a father. That's what I want. If you can give me that, I will disappear and you'll never see me again. That's all I want. I want answers. I'm not crazy. I'm not. His name is Ike.
It's obvious that you're mentally unstable. It's obvious that you're going crazy. And I am not the type that have patience to start organizing your life for you. But do you know what? Stay away from me. Stay away from my man. I don't want to see you anywhere close to him or close to us.
I don't want to be in your life. I don't even want to be in Ike's life. I just want him to look me in the face. I don't want to. I will when he tells me the truth. When he tells me why he left me at the altar. I am not crazy. I know who I saw. That was Ike. That's not Derek. That's Ike. I'm not crazy. That's Ike. That's the father of my child. That's the love of my life. I'm not crazy.
What is this? What happened? Are you alright?
Yes.
Headache?
Yes, it's just my head is ringing.
Let's go to the hospital, please.
No.
We have to see Dr. Divine.
No, it's just ringing in my ears. I'll be fine.
It's okay. It's okay.
Just here.
Can you lie down? Are you sure you don't want to see the doctor?
No.
Oh, not again. Not again. It's okay.
Just here.
Madam, it must have been so painful the way you were all fired.
Yes, it was. Everything happened suddenly.
Why?
They didn't tell us that the adopted son is coming back to the country.
Oh, really?
1 second, she was complaining she didn't have a child. The next thing we heard that the adopted child was coming back to the country and everything happening suddenly.
Anyway, thank you for your time. I really appreciate. Please manage this small token. All right?
Thank
I really
you.
appreciate.
Thank
you
you
so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Derek!
What is it? Is everything all right?
I should be the one asking you. Are you okay? I mean, you just called a woman's name in your sleep.
What are you talking about? Please, not tonight. I don't have the strength or the energy for your drama. Please, I am tired and I need to rest, please.
Derek, it's not about you being tired.
I said you just called the lady from the hospital. You just called her by her name.
No.
You called Anne twice.
I don't know her. Why would I call her name?
That is what I want to know now. Why do you call her name? I mean, you don't know her.
Nicole, please, I am tired and I need to sleep. Please. Hi, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Please, I'm here to visit the little girl my fiance admitted here, Nicole.
Oh, that little girl. She was discharged yesterday. Is there a problem?
No, there's no problem. Please, sorry to really bother you. Can I have her address? I really need to see.
I'm sorry, sir, but we don't give out our patients' information. It's confidential.
Okay, please, I understand the confidentiality and all, but can you please help me? I'm in desperate need to see her mother, please.
I really wish I could help you, but I can't. I'm sorry.
Okay, is your director in? Can I speak with him?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Okay.
The way, please.
Just this way.
Oh, all right. Thank you.
All right.
You know, it's such an honor to have someone like you in my office today. Your father is really a great man.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And I am really sorry to just walk in here just to ask for favor. It's not in my nature.
No. It's okay. I don't even mind. It's okay.
All right, sir.
You're very much welcome.
Thank you.
So, here's the call you after.
Okay, everything you need is right inside there.
Thank you very much. You don't know what this means to me. I really appreciate you.
It's nothing.
Thank you.
It's nothing.
Thank you, sir. I should be on my way.
Okay, just don't forget to tell your father that we are acquainted.
I will not dare forget. Thank you.
Okay.
I will be on my way.
All right. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you again.
Hi.
Good day, madam.
Good day. Please, what does that man want? The man that just left here.
And who are you?
I'm Officer Kate. Kate Dennis, I want you to answer me honestly.
Officer, I really do not know anything. I don't know anything.
But he approached you for something.
Yes. He wanted information on the little girl that was discharged a few days ago.
Did you give him?
Not at all. It's not in my place to give out information in this hospital. But then he went to see the director. I'm sure he got what he wanted.
Thanks for your cooperation.
It's my pleasure.
This means a lot. Have a nice day.
You too, officer.
So, what do you have for me?
You are right. The Chibike's family, we are definitely hiding something.
How do you mean?
Your fiancé was at the hospital earlier today.
What was he doing there?
So, I went into the hospital after he has left to make some inquiry. And he was looking for the girl.
Sophia?
Yep. He got the girl details and I'm pretty sure he will be visiting the trenches soon. There is more. So I started digging into Derek's family and everything was okay until 7 years ago.
What are you talking about?
Derek first came back to the country 7 years ago, right?
Yeah. I mean, he went to school there and basically he grew up there.
Do you know that when Derek came back to the country, the Chibike's family fired all their maids, security, chef, all the staffs in Chibike's mansion was hired 7 years ago. All of them.
But why would they sack them? Why? What for?
I don't know, but I think it has something to do with Derek's arrival. Yes.
Please, I need you to run a DNA test for me. You have to treat this with discretion.
Who does this belong to?
I would have told you if I needed you to know about it. I need you to do it in less than 1 week, please.
It's okay. You can count on me.
All right.
My favorite word in the world. I love you more. And I promise you I will always be here. I will always love you. Always be here to hold you close to my heart. I love you.
Hi.
Babe, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Why?
You don't look okay.
No, I'm fine. I'm okay. Where are you coming from?
I went to the office and they told me you're not on set. I called you many times and you didn't take your call. I decided to come home.
You went by the office? Why? It's unlike you to drop by. What happened? Is there a problem?
A problem? Of course not, baby. I mean, I missed you. You leave me at home every day, all alone, doing nothing. So I missed you. I said, let me come get you.
Of course, I need to work. Just to be busy, to keep my mind busy. And the wedding,
Baby, yes, I know the wedding is around the corner, but I need you to be your best.
Yeah, but the wedding, my mother, she's planning everything, and trust her, it will all be perfect.
Baby, are you sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Why?
Did you go anywhere aside from the office today? I mean, before coming home, did you go somewhere else?
Somewhere? No. Why?
No, nothing. I missed you. Were you thinking about me before?
Yeah, of course, sure.
I love you, baby.
Derek, this your late night drinking, is it going to be one habit?
I hope not. I hope not.
What's going on with you?
I'm fine.
Of course you're not. Dr. Divine called me earlier this evening. He said you complained about the headache. The headache returned.
Why does he always have to tell you everything? What happened to doctor-patient confidentiality?
You don't have to sound like that. He's the family doctor. It's a proper thing he tells me about it. It shows that he is clearly worried about you.
I'm fine.
I don't think so. This headache, you've not had them in years. So tell me, what aggravated it? Derek, talk to your mother. What? Huh?
Few days ago, I met this girl at the hospital. Her name is Anne. And since then, the headaches have returned.
Anne? The lady Nico ran her daughter over?
Yes.
What's with her?
She claimed she knew me. But I am certain I have never seen her anywhere. And the headaches, they returned with someone else's memory. I am seeing someone else's memory.
I'm sure it's nothing. You see, just make sure you go to Dr. Divine and take your medications. See, your wedding is around the corner. We can't have you falling sick. Okay? That reminds me. Which of the hospital was the girl admitted?
Good day.
Point the office of who is in charge here to me.
Over there, the second devil by the right. Ma, I hope there's no problem.
Oh my God. I can't believe this. Did your son tell you about me?
Yes, doctor, he did. Please, can we go straight to the point?
Okay.
I want the photocopy of the document you handed over to my son.
Oh, really? It wouldn't be a problem anyway. Just that I'm a bit curious. How did you get to know that little girl?
Dr. Emeka, if I had wanted to give that information, I would have. Right?
I understand.
The photocopy, please.
I understand. I'll sort it now.
Where's the test? Go ahead, take it.
No. 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 Ah! No. No, this can't be. This cannot be. Oh. Oh.
Are you now ready to tell me whose DNA test result is that? Are you ready? Huh?
They must disappear. Yes. Both of them.
Why?
From where?
Come here. Smile. Come on. Smile. Smile. This way. Move. Smile. Smile. Ow.
Sorry.
Smile. If you smile. Okay.
Shh. Calm down. I don't want to hurt you. I just want to talk.
Who are you?
I'm Derek's mom.
His name is not Derek. He's Ike.
Whatever. I don't care. I want you gone. Here. Take this and walk. I want you and your daughter disappear in my son's life.
I don't need your money. All I need is answers. If you give it to me, you will never see me again.
I don't owe you any answer, do I?
Well, if you don't, he does. And with all this, I am now convinced more than ever that the man you refer as Derek is Ike.
I can see you don't know your place. You're an ant. A little ant that I can squash in just a minute. What is a minute? Within seconds, and the world will not give a heck about what happened to you. Unlike my usual self, I am asking you nicely. Take this money and disappear from my son's life, because I cannot condone anything that will bring unhappiness between me and my son, because he is my life.
I just want to talk to him. Please, let me talk to him. I just need him to give me answers. That's all I want. I'm not
You've
asking.
made a wrong option. Now get out.
No! Let me just talk to him, please.
Hi, beauty. Come. Smile.
Let me go, please.
Finish her.
No! No! Don't do this to me, please. Please.
Smile. Calm down.
Touch your
Mommy, I have a daughter. Please.
Smile. Good.
I have a daughter. I have a daughter.
Smile.
Where could she have gone to? God.
Let us keep searching for her.
But we have searched everywhere. Eh? Who is this again? Eh? We have had enough for today.
Good afternoon. Good evening. Hi. Sorry.
This is all your fault. Eh? It's all your fault.
What are you talking about?
My mommy is missing.
How? When? What happened?
Your fiance came here the other day and was threatening her.
Nicole was here?
Yes.
Okay, just everyone calm down. Tell me, where was the last place she was last seen?
Seriously, I don't know.
Okay, we need to go and search for her. Let's just go.
Who are you? Why do I feel so drawn to you? Why do I have the image of you in my memory?
Don't touch her.
I'm sorry, I couldn't help it.
It's your girlfriend that hurts my mommy.
No. Nicole can never do this. It's not possible.
She has suffered enough. You and your family should stay away from her.
Where is your dad?
He left us. He abandoned us.
What kind of irresponsible man abandons his family? Abandon you, such a special child.
Why you're not big enough? Why? Where is this boy? I have been trying to get direct on phone, but it's not connecting. Do you know his whereabouts?
I'm much concerned about where father is. I need to talk to both of you. Derek can join us much later.
Your tongue. It's everything okay? What's this?
That's Derek's DNA with that Trump's daughter. Mom, how could you? How is it that you didn't tell me that the man I'm getting married to has a daughter? How?
What are you talking about?
Your son has a daughter. Sophia or whatever she's called is his. I mean, how is it possible that your son cannot remember that he has a child? How? How is it possible?
Calm down. Please, come. Just come. You have to lower your voice. I don't want the staffs to hear you.
Mother, please. I need an explanation. And I need it fast.
Sit. Please. Just sit with me.
I'm listening.
Please, just listen very carefully. Promise you will never tell a soul.
I promise.
You have to come down to hear me out. Just relax. Years ago, outskirts of the city, to visit a friend who had relocated to that part, I accidentally ran over a boy. I took him to the hospital. The doctor examined and confirmed that he had brain damage, that he might not remember who he was before the accident.
What? And?
Mom, and I felt so guilty and heartbroken. I treated him and took him into my house. He didn't remember who he was and where he came from. I cared for him. Before I could know what was going on, I realized that I loved him. I couldn't let him go. I lied to him. I made him believe that he was my adopted son. I sacked all my odd staffs to keep the lie. And Dad went with this. He had no choice. I saw how miserable I was at the time before Derek came into the picture. No one knew about this. Not everyone. I had a son. His name was Eric. He died of cancer. What? Derek reminded me so much about my son. He reminded me so much of my boy. I didn't know how he did it, but he was so amazing. He made me a mother again. Something I thought I could never be. Adoption was never a choice for me because I so much believe that no matter what you do, you can never love anyone else's child like you love yours. But Derek changed all those. He became my word. He became my life. We glued together. He became my everything. I couldn't let him go. No. Oh my God. Oh my God. So that wretched girl has been saying the truth all along. You mean that tramp was actually saying the truth? No. No, it's not possible. Look, I don't care. I don't care what you did. It's none of my business. But that wretched girl, no. She is not going to come between Derek and I. No! I won't let that happen. I'm only going to help me. You're going to help me, right? It's not possible. I won't let that happen. Never! Never! It's not happen.
Nico, I will fix it. Believe me, I will fix it. I will.
You have to.
If it has to make me end that girl so that I can have my son back,
I'm ready to do it. I can't lose him.
Not just her. Not her. And her daughter. They have to disappear.
Yes! And Mom, you're going to help me. Promise me. Mom, promise me you're going to help me. Promise me. I love Derek. I love him. Mom, promise me.
You.
Are you okay? Try and relax. You've been sleeping for hours. Sorry about your head.
Sophia.
Hey, just relax. The lady you work for, she took her home. She's safe.
How could you do this to me?
What are you talking about?
Why did you leave me? You let your daughter grow up without a father.
I don't know what you're talking about. What are you saying?
Why did you leave me, Ike? What did I do wrong? I gave you my heart and you shattered it in a million tiny pieces. Why?
I can't remember. I feel you're saying the truth, but I can't remember it. I can't remember you.
How can you not remember me? We've known each other since we were kids. You asked me to marry you and I said yes.
I see fragments and pieces of pictures in my memory that are not mine. It's like a different version of myself living in my head. I don't understand it.
What happened to you?
After the accident that claimed my parents' lives, I lost my memory. And the Chibikes there took me in and raised me as their own.
Wait, what are you talking about? Your mom died years ago, but your father is still in the village. Who fed you with these lies?
My mother can never lie to me. It's impossible.
Wait. So you didn't run away from us? You left because you lost your memory?
What are you saying? You are confusing me. There's no way I could have been engaged to you. I have lived all my life in the city.
Not until 7 years ago you lived in the village with me.
No, that's not possible. It's not. I don't know you. You know what? I need to leave. I have to leave.
Wait!
Hello, darling. Where have you been? I have been worried sick. Hello?
I don't know what is wrong with me, Mom.
What happened? What?
I don't know. My mind is just messed up. I don't know what to believe anymore. I don't know who to believe anymore. I just wish I can remember what my life was before the accident.
We've had this conversation before, right? I told you, your parents were good friends of mine, and you were the smart, kind, and wonderful son. Yes.
But that is not who I see when I shut my eyes. I see a completely different person in a totally different life.
I think I need to call Dr. Divine. You need another checkup.
No. Why can't I remember her? I'm sure I know her, but I can't remember her. She keeps telling me about this life that we shared. This life that I have no knowledge of. And that is completely different from the life you tell me all the time that I have.
And is she still talking to you?
No. I just want to know the truth. That's all.
Son, I keep telling you, the truth is that I love you. You mean the whole world to me. I can do anything to protect you. So, the only person you need to trust is your mother, me, who is always there for you. Come, sweetie.
How could you forget all of that? How could you forget me? How?
Eh? Wait oh. So very soon like this, my friend will be a married woman.
Yes, I am so excited.
Hey! See, I've always known that you both will end up together. Yes, because that man has been chasing you up and down like a puppy since childhood.
Did I hear someone refers to me as a puppy?
Is it not true?
My love, would you blame me? I fell in love and I fell hard.
Hey, God, when?
What are you doing here? Instead of you to go and help Mama Chibike with the chores and other things they are doing there, you are here gossiping.
They already have enough hands.
Yeah, they have
Yes,
enough
nah.
hands.
She said, God, when?
God, when now?
Okay. Can I steal you for a second?
Eh.
Steal it.
That's how you want to...
Steal it.
Stolen.
No wonder he wants to chase me away. Hey!
What?
Oh no. It's just so peaceful with you. I just wish this moment can last forever.
I know it won't, because I know we will have even more moments together. You, me, and our baby.
I just can't wait to meet her.
Are you sure it's a girl?
But I just know it's a girl. I can feel it. I can't wait to feed her, pamper her, spoil her, take care of her, and make you jealous with her. I love you.
I
love the both of you.
I love you too, and I don't want this moment to ever end.
It would not. Anna Ikechukwu. I love how that sounds.
And I love you.
And I love you more.
No, I love you more.
No, I love you more.
No, I love you.
No, I'm serious. I love you. Okay, let's measure it.
All right, okay, let's measure it.
Okay. I'll climb here, and then I'll fall for you.
Okay, I'll...
Do you want to break your leg?
See, I love you more.
Okay, you win. Nicole, can you just stop? Nicole, stop now. What is it?
It's because of her, isn't it? Eh? It's because of that job. Eh?
This has got nothing to do with Anne. Okay? I am marrying you because you are the best option out of the girls my mom chose for me. So, please, just let this be. After we get married, I'll do my part, but for now, I need my sleep.
I know your mom chose me for you, but you never complained until now. Yes. I mean, you didn't complain until she showed up in our life. What is all this?
I need my sleep. And please, I would appreciate it if you let me have it. What is wrong with you now? What is all this? Oh, it's fine. You want me to leave the bed for you? It's fine. Anna, please wait. Please wait. Anna, wait. Anna!
Derek,
Sir,
where are you going? We should be headed to the church.
I know that. I just have an errand to run. I will be back soon.
I don't understand. What errand could be so important on the morning of your wedding?
You should be heading to church. I will join you at the church. Please, they are calling.
Please, hold on.
All right. Where are you now? You said I should come to this place. Where are you? You are not here. What? No. This is a bad arrangement. You said I should leave. Listen, the wedding is about to start and we don't even have the ring. Do you know how bad it was for me to raise the money to get this ring and we're about to start and we don't even have the ring? No, please. You said I should wait for you. What? No, please. If you are there, just hold on. I will come to you. No, don't move now. I'll come to you.
Oh my word. Thank you, God, at last. Hi.
Where am I and who are you?
My name is Faith. You're in the hospital and we're here. So you don't need to relax. Come on, relax.
What's going on? I can't move.
Yes, because there was an accident and you've been unconscious since a month.
A month?
Yes. I'm sorry I ran you over accidentally. I'm sorry about that. But I'm here.
Why can't I remember anything?
The doctor said that you have a damaged brain, a severe amnesia, and you'll get better with time. Yes.
No.
Calm down.
I feel like I'm forgetting someone very important. I must not forget.
Calm down. Listen. I don't know your name, but my name is Faith. I'm here for you. Okay? Just breathe and calm down.
Why can't I remember? I can't even move. Why?
It's expected. But you will get better. Trust me.
I have to remember.
Please don't stress it. Okay? Don't. Please. We are here.
Oh. So, son, we are home.
This your house?
Our house.
This is big and fine. I can't remember the last time I saw a house this big and fine.
Oh, come on, Drake, stop. You've seen a house as big as this. Your parents' house was this big. Just that you don't remember.
Why can't I remember them? I have not even mourned for them or grieved for them.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault that you don't remember. But this is what your parents would have wanted. And I'm here to fill the vacuum. Come on, let's go inside. You will never lack anything, son.
I don't know what I would have done without you.
Oh, come on. You're my son. You don't need to take me.
Let me look at the back.
Oh, come on.
There's something I saw.
Oh, my word.
I saw that thing they used for weight lift. It's so fine.
Why are you talking like this? This is what you are used to. We are home.
My love, you're back.
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
My son.
What's up?
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome to the family.
Thank you, sir.
Derek.
Okay.
That's his name.
That's good. Derek.
Sir.
Welcome to the family.
Thank you, sir.
This is your home. They all work for you.
When was that?
Hello, good afternoon.
And we are your parents.
Yes, sir.
Come on, sit. Come on.
Come sit here. Sit. Sit with mom.
I love.
My dear. Thank you.
Where is she? You tried to kill Anne.
No! I swear. It was an accident.
It doesn't seem like an accident. I saw what happened. Like you're waiting for her to come out.
No, how could you say that? Baby, you're hurting me. Please stop. Baby, you're not thinking straight. Stop.
And my name is not Derek. Okay? This is the first time I am thinking straight in a long while. My name is Ike. Where is she?
I don't know.
If anything happens to her, you are dead.
Anne, stop crying. Eh? We have reported this matter to the police. Let's just wait and see if they will come out with any good results.
My daughter. They have my daughter. You're saying it's okay. How is it okay? They have my child. They have Sophia.
Anna, see, I understand. See, had it been with you, the plate number of at least it would have helped us.
How do I know?
I understand your pains. I understand. Just calm down.
I can't. Calm down. I want my daughter.
Next thing to do, we will find her. Just calm down. Put yourself together, okay?
Do something about it. Do it now. What are we still doing here? What are we still doing here when they have my daughter? What are we still doing here?
What do you mean by he remembered? There's no way he remembered.
No, he did remember. Yes. Mom, he tried to kill me. Just look at my neck. Just look. Where's Mr. Dennis? Where's he?
Mr. Richard is not in the state, but we need to find a way to fix this. We can't let him remember.
Where is she? Where is my daughter?
Drake, calm down. We need to talk.
Where is my daughter?
I don't know what you're talking about.
She doesn't know what I'm talking about. You lied to me for 7 years. I didn't get to be in my daughter's life while growing up because of you, and suffered what she did. All that she has been through because of you. And you stand there and tell me that you don't know what I'm talking about.
I saved your life. I gave you a better life. What do you think you could have achieved in that whole of a village? I did all that because I love you.
I didn't.
We're a soul.
I never needed saving from you. Did you think of how my loved one would have felt by my absence? Did you think that they would be looking for me, searching for me, that they will miss me? But no, you wouldn't, because you're selfish.
Derek, I am your mother.
Don't touch me, you're not my mother. My mother died 7 years ago, you selfish, scheming woman.
Stop! Stop! Just stop already! You're hurting me. I brought you into my life because I love you, because I needed you, because you needed me, because we needed each other. I did give birth to you, right? Yes. But I treated you like my child, like my own, like my son.
You're not a mother. A real mother would never have done what you did. You're just empty, alone and lonely. And in that state of mind, then you used me. You used me! And now you tell me that you're my mother.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Derek. Nothing has changed. I'm so sorry.
Everything has changed.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Nothing has changed, Derek. You are
Just
my world.
Tell me where my daughter is.
I don't know.
Or else I will tell the world what you have done.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, you can't let him leave, please. You have to. Oh, God.
Sophia! Oh my God! Are you okay? Oh, thank God. Thank God. I don't know what I would do if anything happened to you. Thank you. Thank you for bringing her to me.
You don't have to thank me, Anna. She's also my daughter. I pray that you will one day forgive me.
Of course, I forgive you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for coming back to us. Thank you for remembering me. I never stopped loving you for one day. I never believed that you could abandon me.
I will never do that. You know how much I love you. How much I waited for her. Come.
Drake, please. Drake, please, don't leave me. Drake, please, I am begging you. Drake, I meant no harm, please. Don't leave me. I'm begging you, please. Don't. I can't live without you.
You have hurt me so much. You kidnapped Anne and my daughter. You took away so much from me. How can I recover those years that you took from me?
I'm sorry, but I gave you a good life, a good education. Please don't
You've
leave.
taken away my happiness?
You were happy here, right?
No, I wasn't. I was empty. There's no amount of wealth and comfort that could fill up that emptiness. It is sad you could never see that. I will forgive you, but I don't know when. Please, please don't. Don't.
Please, Drake, please, we can talk about this. I can bring Anne to stay with you. I can do it. Please, don't. Sweetheart, please.
Don't.
It's alright, it's alright.
Make
It's
him
all
stay,
right.
please. You have to make him
Your
stay.
son died many years ago,
No,
my
no,
love.
no, it's my
Derek
son.
died so many years
I
ago.
can't lose him
God.
again.
Oh, God.
You have to make him stay.
It's alright, it's alright.
You have to
I am ashamed that I let you do all this. Go, allow him.
He's my son. He's my son. He's my son.
Allow him. Let's don't do this. Don't do this.
No, no, I can't lose him again.
Sorry.
I can't.
I miss you. Please make sure you visit.
I will.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that you took good care of her.
You don't have to thank me. Annie is like a daughter to me.
Thank you so much for everything. I appreciate you.
Please take care of yourself.
Sure.
Baby, I'll miss you.
Please, just help me hold on to this. Thank you a lot.
All this
We
for me?
owe you a lot. Yes, this is nothing really.
Wow.
You
Please,
deserve it.
Thank you for me. Wow. God bless you.
Amen.
I'll keep in touch. Take care of yourself and the business.
As well.
Okay, say bye-bye to Auntie.
Bye, dear.
Mark. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome.
Say goodbye to Uncle Mark.
Tthank you.
Take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.